Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Camila and I make different things. In this video I want to make Zendaya's this dress. Actually I don't know whether to use this or this. This one is too hard. And this one is too soft. However, I decided to use this one. I wanted to make something like rape costume or Lucas crown. So I cut it to the sizes that I needed and wrapped the aluminium around it. But after I did this, I realized that it's very heavy and I'm sure that it's not gonna stand behind the clothes. So it came to my mind that I use this foam to make it, because it's very light. So it's gonna be like this. Now I'm gonna make the snake parts of the work. I bought a few different chains because I wasn't sure what would be appropriate. I used this one and it looked like this. And this one was like this. But I think these ones are more beautiful. The thing that I have noticed is that when I want to connect the chains, the color of these sections are erased, as if I have to be painted again. Well, here is the black fabric. I'll show you the dress after the sew and complete it.